Hello everybody, welcome to Late Night Drawing Tutorials with Hannah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you always get to watch these late night drawing tutorials. Today we're going to be drawing some jack-o'-lanterns. So we're going to get started. This is the bottom pumpkin, and we're going to do a little stack tonight. So this is the bottom pumpkin, and it's pumpkin, so you can kind of make it whatever shape you want. I'm going to make this one a little bit wider because he's the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to do the middle pumpkin. He's going to be sitting right here, just like that, and there's going to be a little one right here, like that. And then I also want to add a little witch's hat, just like that. Okay, and then I want to add some more colors to the pumpkins. So we add just a little bit of yellow and some red, probably. Not too much red though, because pumpkins aren't red, but I think it'll be give it a nice little bit of character. Maybe we'll add some red to the hat, and then I think we want blue for the hat. Blue is kind of a good color for witch's hat. Okay, and we're gonna dry off the pumpkins just like this. There we go. I like how the paper towel gives it a little bit of a texture. It's so fun. Okay, so now we're gonna start, and we're gonna start with the top. Well, with the hat actually. So this is the brim, and then we want a little scoop there, just like that. There we go, and then this is that, and then it's going to be like curved a little bit at the top. Like that makes it a little bit creepier. There we go. And then I feel like witches' hats always have that little buckle on them. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do this pumpkin. And we're going to start with the outside, and then we're going to do that, just like this, and like that. There we go, that's the first pumpkin. And then this one is going to kind of be a little bit more of a square pumpkin. There, so we have these three lines facing this way, and then these three lines facing this way, and then we're going to kind of just have a center one right there. Okay, and then also I want to add a little bit of a stem to this one. I forgot, like that, and we'll add a little stem there too. Okay, now we're going to do the bottom pumpkin. So this one, since this pumpkin's sitting on it and it's such a fat pumpkin, we're going to show that this pumpkin kind of comes behind like that. See how that makes it look like it's sitting on the pumpkin? And we're going to do that over here too. 1, 2, like that. And then these lines are going to be a bit further apart from each other because this pumpkin is a lot larger. And there we go. Okay, now we have the pumpkins done, and I want to make these into jack-o'-lanterns actually, so we are going to go ahead and add some faces to them. So there's one eye, and you can make the faces however you want. Nose. It's just like carving a jack-o'-lantern in real life. There's so many different options, kind of whatever you want. And then for the mouth here, we're going to go like this. This one's going to have just a little tooth there, and a tooth there, and a tooth there. Just like that. We're going to color that in. They're always so cute. Okay, I think we're going to make this one maybe like a scary one. And give him like angry eyes. Just like that. Small nose. And then we're going to do jagged teeth. Just like that. And then color that one too. There. Oh, I like that. Okay. And then this one, I think we're going to do kind of like a scared pumpkin. Just like that. And then I'm going to color these ones in a little bit more so that they kind of are dark like the other ones. Okay. If you guys want me to do some videos where I don't do any talking and I just do the drawing, let me know because I would love to do that too. I just need to hear that that's what you guys want. I'm gonna go through and just double up on some of these lines here. I like to have double lines on mine because I think it adds to the imperfection. Don't want my artwork looking too perfect now, do we? Can't have it seem like this is easy. All right. And then if you are familiar with my artwork, you know I like to add these little squiggles and these little dots. I think it just adds some personality to my pieces that I just absolutely love. I always feel like Bob Ross when I say that because he always talks about his happy little trees. It's true though. All right, and then the last thing that I want to do is kind of just ground them. Just make a little ground there. Does not have to be a straight line. I don't like making straight lines. All right, there we go. We're done with that one. I'm just going to sign my name. It's always important to sign your name. Just like that. And there we go. We made these little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin stacks with a little witch hat. I think it turned out super cute. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment of what you think I should make next week. And I post these every Sunday. So if that's something that you're interested in. My idea behind it is that it's kind of nice and relaxing. And if you want to watch this before you go to bed, that this might be a good option. Or if you want to learn how to draw some little pumpkins, this also might be a good option. So hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys next week with another tutorial on who knows what. But it's going to be fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys all have a great sleep tonight or a great start to your day, whatever time of day it is that you're watching this.